So it's Saturday afternoon. This is the day in which I get all my stuff done. I smoke cigarettes, I drink coffee, so I have to get my teeth cleaned quite often if I want to keep them that nice movie star pearly white. So every 3 months or so, I go get my teeth cleaned. It's very cheap here in Vietnam, so I'm going to show you guys the price. I'm not sure what it'll be now, but I'll find out in a minute, but it's very low. You couldn't do this in the United States, not at all. It'd be too expensive. So first off, I'm in my hometown of Nha Be, and I'm at my local dentist. It's actually really close to where I did my motorcycle expat gets an oil change video. It's actually right down there, right down the street. Anyways, my hometown of Nha Be. It's at the front of the dentist, and hopefully they'll be nice and allow me to bring my camera in. Today is a very overcast day in Ho Chi Minh City. It actually looks like it's gonna rain soon. The air has that little tinge of coolness in it that I feel right before it rains. All right, let's go on in. Nice big fancy office here. Got a TV, some plants. Love a little water thing. Ah, there's the water. Nobody's noticed we've come in here yet. Let's see if we can find somebody to help us. Oh, it looks like they're actually working on someone back there. I don't know if you can see it through the blue.
She's like wait for a minute. Because just only her here right now.
Gotcha. All right, since it's in Vietnamese, my girlfriend likes to fill this out for me, even though I can understand and read everything it says. She's got a customer in there with her right now, which is actually very unusual. Usually I walk into a dentist and I'm the only one here. The way it is here is they're not gonna do any kind of scraping or anything like that. They use a high pressure water, and that usually does a pretty good job with getting stains off your teeth, especially if you smoke or drink coffee. And then after that, they will polish them with the fluoride and the polisher, and they'll actually come out pretty nice. My teeth will be pretty white. I'll be pretty proud of myself for about 3 weeks until the coffee and cigarettes start showing again. So far, I've showed you guys a few aspects of my life in Vietnam, and you'll find those in my Life in Vietnam playlist. And for upcoming videos in that series, I'm gonna show you guys the optometrist. I'm gonna get my prescription updated. I'm also gonna take you, because of a request, into a Vietnamese convenience store. I just gotta think about which one. I think Family Mart would be good. There's 7-Elevens here too, but we have 7-Elevens in the West, so why would you wanna see that? Plus Family Marts are really interesting. So look forward to that in future content. So my girlfriend just asked if she could take the camera back there, and they said no, so we're not gonna take the camera back there. Okay, so I got my teeth cleaned, and it's Hai Cham, so that's 200,000, so $8. Compared to in America, that would be, I don't know how much a tooth cleaning is, or a teeth cleaning is in America, but hundreds of dollars, $300, $400. Somebody knows, let me know in the comments. Our next stop is the optometrist, or the eyeglasses place. He's gonna check my eyes, and I'm gonna get new glasses. And now I need new glasses. My prescription is getting weaker, so I need them to check my eyes and give me new glasses. The glasses I'm wearing now, I bought here in Vietnam probably about 2 years ago, and it cost me 400K. So it's about $12. And right now, they're very old, they're very scratched, and I think I've lost a little bit more eyesight, so I might need a stronger prescription. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check my eyes to see if my eyesight has deteriorated. Then I'm gonna look at some frames, and then I'm gonna pay for it. I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost yet, but this is Vietnam, so I don't think it's gonna cost very much. I think you guys are gonna be surprised if you're from the West. Here they will give you new glasses. If you bring them your old ones, they'll measure your lens, and they'll give you new frames, and they'll also check your eyesight. So this place looks very nice. Check out all the frames and all the glasses they have on displays. If any of you guys know why lights blink like that on these GoPros, please let me know. I cannot figure it out.
Okay, now you go. I make it for you.
It's easier for me to mark that way. Boy, technology has changed. I had to look at a little picture of the picture of a farmhouse.
Wait.
My head's too big for them. Like a spaceman.
Number 2.
Number 2?
Yes. 2.
2956734.
Okay.
Okay. It's a little blurry though. A little blurry. Hai Chim Nan Sao Mai Pa Bong. Little blurry, but Mo Hai Bong Sao Chin La Nam.
Okay.
So that was pretty quick, actually. I expected that to take a lot longer. The numbers were still a little bit blurry though. Can I take the spaceman glasses off? Probably can.
Cái này là new.
New?
New.
Okay.
2.
That's deteriorated.
Cái này là right.
Yeah. That one's gotten worse. That one's gonna worse a lot. Okay. All right. So do I look steampunk or what?
So, did we make for you a new glasses right now?
Okay.
Dạ. Quay cái này hỏi xem anh muốn xài không tốt không? Đây ạ.
So here's the numbers that she gave me, and my eyesight has definitely deteriorated.
Blue cut. It's good one. Blue cut.
Okay.
Blue cut. 100%. Tất cả. Nếu mà ngồi máy tính nhiều thì mình xài này tốt không? They say if you work in a PC on the time you will use this, it's good for you.
Yes. Blue. It suppresses blue light. That's what I
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
Yeah. It's very good.
Yeah. Và cái này là pink, very pink.
Yes.
It's good for
Good.
you.
I agree.
Thì cái này là như em sử dụng là giá. And 1,900,000 for this nha, not this.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll do it. I'm gonna get the special lens that suppress blue light. That my current lens do not do that. So this will be good because I'm at my computer a lot when I'm not at work. So it's worth it. I just gotta take better care of my glasses, make sure I'm not dropping them or putting them in my pocket.
See, I will try this first.
Okay.
You don't like circle, right?
Huh?
You don't like circle.
No, I don't like circles. I like them the same as my old glasses. Maybe it's too big.
Or this?
Like smaller, like this.
Màu trắng hết. Không, màu đen thôi.
I think this is better. I like smaller.
Okay.
Smaller profile.
Lấy loại mỏng mỏng nhỏ nhỏ như mà màu đen á. Màu nhỏ nhỏ đúng không? Cái này dạ. You don't like this hả?
No, I don't like this.
What about this?
Definitely not good. I like these better. It's only just a little bit more. These are better. They're definitely better. What do you guys think? I think I might go with these ones. Still looking at some more options here.
She said this is very good one. It's good one.
Any more?
Try this.
Size. I like this size. I like these better.
Yeah. Take this one, huh?
I think I like this one the best.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it fits you very well.
Yeah, I think so too.
Make sure you like it.
Yeah, no, I like it.
Okay.
I like this the best.
She said tonight you will come back.
Okay. They're very steampunk. I feel like I should be in a video game. Where's my old glasses? I gotta find my old glasses so I can take these steampunk glasses off. Thank you. Come on.
Thank you.
So that was a pretty quick procedure. I think I was in here maybe 20 minutes. They checked my eyes. They upgraded my prescription. We picked out new lens. We got the blue light reflecting lens, so I don't have a problem on my computer. And I got some nice frames. The total price was $2,450,000. And off the top of my head, it's a little over $100. I'll do the math when I get home and put it on the screen for you so you can see it. I hope you guys enjoyed the visit to a Vietnamese optometrist, buying new glasses. And until then, until my next video, stay awesome.